Hi, my cupcakes. Hi, my unicorns. It's me, Cupcake, and I have a very different kind of strange video. This was around New Year's I made this, but it's gonna be part of celebrating that I have made a year on YouTube. I know, I can't believe it either, even though I've missed a lot of time in between this. I am sorry. I hope y'all like that. Thank you for the photographer slash person that made this giant, like, firework bomb thingy T-Rex and his two brothers. And I hope everybody enjoys this video. Please like and subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in my next video.
Stupid. Lit!
It went.